Hello everyone, welcome to Statistics Doctor Consultancy, your partner in technology and analytics. I would like to inform everyone that the topics being discussed in this channel are based on personal experience and expertise of Professor Vincent Tori Bongolan. Professor Vincent has 18 years of solid experience in analytics and technology. He is a book author of research and statistics and has helped students, researchers, and organizations here and abroad. He is a data science and statistical consultant in Upwork since 2010. He is a contributing author in different e-learning platforms such as Udemy, LearnDesk, Eshitera. Most of the contents of this channel are based on statistics and data science. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and click the notification bell so you will always updated whenever there's new uploads. Comment the topics you want him to discuss in this channel. God bless everyone.
Oh, namumula ka na.
Hello everyone, so I am here now at my condominium unit in Cubao, and I would like to do a quick demo of the Internet of Things and the AI application that is developed for my condominium unit.
What is Digital Week?
The Digital Week 2019 is an ADB annual event.